Today I'm going to show you how to hang this toilet paper holder.
The tools you'll need for this project are a hammer, level, a drill with possibly a 5/16 drill bit if you're drilling directly into drywall, the screws and pop toggle wall anchors included in your kit, your leather straps, dowel rod, and info card. First, I'm determining where I want to place the holder, and using the guide on the info card that came with your kit and a level, I'll place the card with a small piece of tape. Next, I'll take a hammer and one of the screws to gently tap into the wall, or in my case the vanity, to mark where I'm going to hang the straps. Since I'm hanging this directly on my vanity, I'll just need to drill in the screws. The same applies if you're drilling into a stud in the wall. However, if you're drilling directly into the drywall, you'll need to make a hole with a 5/16 drill bit, fold the pop toggle anchor in half and pinch, place it in the hole, and gently tap with a hammer until it's flush with the wall. Now I'm just going in and drilling my pilot holes in my previously marked spots. And next I'm taking my first strap, folding the back over the front of the strap so it looks like this. Now I'll take my screw and gently screw it through the pre-drilled holes on the strap so that it's popping out the back. Now using a flathead screw bit, I'll just screw both of the straps into place. And lastly, I'll place my toilet paper through the dowel rod and slide the rod into each of the straps. And here's the final look.